Hey everybody, it's Sharmel. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I transformed this old silk press into something a little better. This is a week-old silk press. I got a silk press exactly 7 days ago, and yeah, if you're natural, if you've gotten a silk press before, you know they don't last very long. And so I wasn't quite ready to wash my hair yet and revert it back to its complete natural state, so I wanted to do a style that kind of incorporates, like, you know, a blowout straight kind of look. So I'm going to be doing a deep side swoop ponytail. I'm going to be using Kinky straight hair. I didn't want to use anything too silky, so I have a bundle of this Kinky straight hair in 18 inches. I believe this is from Wigs By. I have this hair for about a year now, so this is just an old bundle of that. I have a couple clip-ins, and they're also Kinky straight texture. I don't know where these clip-ins are from. Honestly, they're a few years old, but most online hair vendors now offer Kinky straight hair. So search Kinky straight hair on the internet and you will be able to find you Kinky straight bundles or Kinky straight clip-ins. And I'm going to use the clip-ins to do my swoop because, as you guys can see, a little stiff now. But I mean, I have length in the front, but it doesn't give me that full deep swoop that I want. So I'm just going to use clip-ins in the front to achieve that. So yeah, let's get started. So I'm going to start by parting my hair. So the next step is completely optional. You can start molding now, but I'm going to take a hot comb and I'm just going to hit my edges, hit my roots that's in the part. I'm not going to do my whole head. My whole head would be unnecessary. But I am just going to hit my part a little bit, as well as this little side over here, since it's going to be the side that's out. I'm just doing my roots because, like, my ends are still really straight, so. Alright, so, my roots aren't like silky straight, but I did, you know, straighten them a little bit. Now I'm gonna figure out how I want to place this clip in. So I have a 3-clip piece and then I have a 2-clip piece. Let's see, I think the 3-clip might be too long. You want to place it to where your long piece will give you like the majority of your swoop. That was like too far down, so I'm gonna place it a little higher. So I'm only gonna do one piece because Kinky straight hair is just kind of naturally like thick and full, so I don't want it to be too bulky. So I'm only gonna use one piece in the front, and again, this is just for swoop purposes. So I'm gonna section off the back of my head first.
Alright you guys, so I ended up having to edit over this part with a voiceover because this hairstyle did not go as I originally planned. Originally, I was going to do the hairspray and blow dryer method, where you start at the back of your head and you basically mold your hair down using hairspray and setting it with a blow dryer. This method works well when you want to do straight looks, because obviously if I were to add a gel or some type of any type of edge control, my hair would immediately wave up. So with the hairspray and the blow dryer, it allows you to mold your hair back and keep it slick without your hair reverting. So again, that was the original method that I was going with. However, once I had all of my hair molded back, I did my regular method of me wrapping the bundle of kinky straight hair around my ponytail. However, it was just too bulky and too thick. So I ended up having to redo this hairstyle a few times. So again, this is just the original method where I'm molding it down with the hairspray. This works. There was nothing wrong with my mold. I just ran into an issue when it came to attach the ponytail. So all of this you can still do if you want to do a straight look, but I'm going to show you an alternative look or alternative method for this hairstyle. So yeah, I'm still showing you guys how I do my swoop. So I still use the hairspray and everything for my swoop to keep that kind of slick, and then yeah, I'll show you guys how I do my ponytail. So instead of wrapping the Kinky Straight bundle around like my own natural ponytail, I decided to go in and add a few clip-ins to the back of my head of the Kinky Straight hair. So I used the clip-ins instead of the bundle. Kinky Straight hair in general is just a very thick and full texture, and so I was trying to, like the original ponytail, it was just too thick. It didn't match like the natural density of my hair. So I had to improvise. So yeah, I'm adding 2 clip-in pieces, as you see me doing now. I'm not doing any type of special parting, literally just throwing them in the back half of my head. And then I'm going to smooth all of that into one ponytail, one low ponytail. So as you can see, my natural hair isn't long enough to like just blend with the clip-ins on its own. So to hide that, I'm going to take a quarter of that bundle, and then I'm going to wrap that around my ponytail. So essentially I used the clip-ins just kind of as my base ponytail, and then I took a little bit of that bundle and wrapped it around to get like the perfect fullness. And so yeah, it took me a minute to get it, but yeah, this worked out. The ponytail wasn't too thick, it wasn't too bulky, it was just like the perfect density. So I'm not doing anything special, doing a regular wrap the bundle around your ponytail method, and then I'm going to create a band to hide the weft. And then to finish this look off, I'm just going to take some curlers and just throw a few wand curls into the ponytail just to give it a little more detailing. I just didn't kind of like it straight. So yeah, I'm just adding the wand curls in it just to add some more detailing. And yeah, this is day 2 of the style, so as you guys can see, my edges are kind of waving up, but I'm just going to smooth those edges out how I like it. And yeah, that is the end result. I struggled, I'm not gonna lie, and I'm like, this is so simple, why am I struggling this hard? But once I got it together, I really liked this style. It was cute, and I was able to kind of extend my silk press a little bit longer. And yeah, that's it. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you ladies next time. Bye.